Hello guys, this is Gilbert FS. So guys, I decided to fund this $43 today to flip it to a maximum amount. So this $43 I funded, and I've been looking on the USD JPY, and I see that it's on bullish movement. So I didn't and I have already analyzed the trade starting from higher time frame towards lower time frame. So I have to take my entry. Though I missed this trade, I supposed to take this trade from the 5 minutes to enter sniper entry so that I will not get drawn down. So you guys, you can see I have to map my support level because USD JPY have been selling since on bearish, so it has come to support. So that's what we see before we enter trade. So I saw that in which I know that this guy will surely go for bullish. So I have to stack 40 position. You can see I have to stack a lot. I don't have to miss this opportunity. So guys, we'll be watching how this guy is going to play. I have stacked a lot of position. I know that it will surely fly. It will surely fly. I also have a news confirmation. So DSY dollar has been on bullish. So guys, let's watch and see how this trade plays. So, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please also subscribe, and I will be dropping my Telegram channel where I'll be dropping free signal for you guys. Okay, so guys, let's see, because I know that this guy will surely fly. You can see the 4 hour, the bullish engulfing candle as a confirmation for bullish movement. So I just have a little drawdown. So guys, let's watch. Boom! I told you guys that where I got this trade is sniper entry. But I have a confirmation that this guy will surely run, and it has go for a profit. We are up to $77 now. So we'll continue to hold this trade, guys. We'll continue to hold this trade. Targeting the resistance level, which is on the 4 hour, because I'm holding this trade on 4 hour where there is a previous resistance that turned to bearish. So I'm anticipating that this trade will surely goes to that of at least this trade will be giving us not less than $1,000 something. We are going to hold it. So I will be giving you guys updates. So what I used to tell to my students, that trading is not just about capital, it's about skill. If I have $1,000 with this trade, I can take it to $10,000. Yeah, so that is the power of skills. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also comment and share. And as I told you guys, I will drop in my Telegram channel where I'll be sharing 95% free signal for my community. So I hope if you enjoy watching this video, give it a like and also share. So guys, we'll be closing the position, or we'll be holding this trade. We'll be holding it. I will give you guys more updates about this trade. So we just decided to hold it for now and see how it's going to play. If it runs more, I'm going to stack more position. Once I find the divergency occurred, I will stack more position. Thank you guys for watching.